Having a creative skill in 2020 is as important as having green vegetables on your plate. You can survive without it, but you can do so much more by having it. Here's how I acquired so many skills at the comfort of my house, absolutely free of charge. We all have this tool, but we severely underutilize it. Can you take a guess? Say hello to YouTube. The thing with YouTube is that you can learn how to fry a man's dinner with YouTube. You can also learn how to fry a man. I learned how to make graphics like this solely using YouTube, and 24,000 people saw it. I learned how to edit videos using YouTube, and it got 60,000 plus views. Now I learned how to make a perfect cup of coffee. Maybe I should watch the video again. I learned how to make the perfect dinner using YouTube. I know a guy who knows a guy who knew a guy who learned how to skydive using YouTube. Like I said, he knew a guy. I learned how to play this with YouTube. I learned how to make apps using YouTube. I also learned how to make websites. I learned how to work out from YouTube. I learned how to make video games using YouTube, and I launched my first mobile game in 2019. Now I learned how to sing using YouTube, but my neighbors would probably disagree. But anyway, I know a guy who learned how to ride a bike using YouTube, and he got a job at Uber Eats, but I think he forgot how to stop the bike and he got fired. But anyway, the point is, in this day and age, you don't need a degree to learn a new skill. You can jump on YouTube and learn absolutely everything you learn at a university. And in fact, if you create a portfolio with everything you've created, most modern companies prefer that over having a degree. It's crazy. I literally type in how to followed by whatever that I want to learn, and I watch 20 to 30 videos repeatedly until I actually learn it. And just so you know, this video is not sponsored by YouTube. So YouTube, if you're watching this, you owe me money and some Tim Tams. That's it for this video. It's Dinu Gajay. Keep smiling, keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. Over and out.